In front of me is Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and tapping on red button to start. Hit allow in all available pop-ups. Now to pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on left button. To add a photo mark, on the right one. This time take a pic. To discard it, hit X, and to add it, click on the check mark. Now to end and save your recording, hit save at the top right corner, and to get rid of it, hit cancel at the top left one. I will go with save. Name it, hit save here, and then wait to click on it on the list. Play it and adjusting using all of those options. To get rid of it, you can go back, hold it, choose delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!